Hi guys, welcome to VBZap. Today I'm going to show you some basic things that you need to know to write a code in Turbo C++. So let's get started. First of all, you need to have a program called Turbo C++ in your computer. And if you want to know how to download, the link is given in the description of this video. Just check it and download it as soon as you can. And you need to open the Turbo C++ and the start Turbo C++. So you'll get a window. Now you need to press the file, then new. So I have some new program. I'm clicking new. Then there are many header files which is used for the various programs. So the main three common basic header files are iostream.h, conio.h, and iomanip.h, and this has to be written in the form as hash includes iostream.h, and the second comes hash include conio.h, and the third hash includes iomanip.h. So these are three basic header files that you need to add in almost all the programs. This iostream is used for the input output stream, and the conio is for the configuration of input output, and iomanip is for the text basic like formatting, text formatting controls. So, and you need to note that since the C++ is a case sensitive, we have to write all the codes in small letters and not in capital letters. So the next comes is a void main. So this indicates that the next coming function, that what is included in the parenthesis is, this is called the parenthesis, the brackets, and whatever comes inside is considered as a main program. So whatever you need to want in your program, you have to initialize it. So you have a data type called int, which is used for numbers like int. You can initialize anything. I initialize a comma b. Let me keep it as 2. Then to add decimal numbers, you have another data type that is called as float, and even you can add any, but you need to note that while adding any integer, it should not be a data type, it has to be something else. And I'm adding z. Then you can add even character, anything ch. And next thing is main is clr which clears the screen every time you press the run button, otherwise it will be hectic, like you won't be able to view your results properly. So these are the basic things. And next basic thing is that after display the text in the after running the program. So for that you have a control called cout, which means that anything you want to display in the screen, then you have to add it as a cout, then the tool left shift. So the next, if you want to add a text, then you have to insert with a double inverted commas like enter two numbers. And you have to note that all the time you have to close, you have to end the line by a terminator called a semicolon. And the next comes now you have to input two values. So to input the values, you have to add cin right shift a right shift b, which gives value to a and b, and you have to add semicolon. Now since z is remaining, I'm at z is equal to, now I'm writing the logic part, z is equal to a plus b. This z stores the value of the addition of the a and b, the values a and b. After addition, the value will be stored in z. So now to output the value of z, like I'll output first the text like value of z is equal to, again left shift. Now I'm going to output the value of z. Since this double quote is used to just give out, like export the text to the scene. Now to show the text. Text I have used a double quote, and for the integer like anything calculated, just write it z enclose. And to get the value, you need to add GETCH and a semicolon. Now, while saving the file, you have to save the file as anything name with the extension .cpp. So now I'm going to run this program, and the shortcut key for the run is Ctrl F9. So here the errors are displayed, so there are no errors. Now the text displays enter two numbers, so I'm going to enter 5 and 4. So the value of z is 9 because z carries the value of a, which is equal to 5, and b is equal to 4, and displays a plus b, that is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So these are the basic things, and to see out after output you need to have a cout, and to input you need to have a scene, and the logic parts is left to you. So these are the main basic things that you need to have in your program, and the main thing is CLR, SCR. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll be back with the next video with the next session. Thank you.